Everyone says learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then people start talking about PHP and .NET. You start thinking, are they the same, or which should be learned first? If that's you, then this video will fix it. A website has two parts. Client side includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is what users see. Server side includes PHP and .NET. This is what works behind the scenes. HTML is the structure of the website. It creates basic elements like text, images, buttons. CSS makes the website look good in controls, colors, layout, fonts. JavaScript makes the website interactive. It handles button clicks, shows pop-ups, creates animations, and enables live updates. PHP works on the server. It processes forms, handles login systems, and connects to databases. .NET is a powerful framework by Microsoft. It is used to build large applications, handle business logic, and maintain databases. So, they do not replace each other, they work together. When you open a website, this is what happens step by step. First, HTML loads. It builds the structure of the page. Then, CSS loads. It adds design, colors, and layout. Next, JavaScript runs, making the website interactive. After that, the back end takes over. PHP processes the request and handles the data, and .NET maintains the application logic and runs tasks on the server. Finally, the database sends back the required information, and the page updates accordingly. Think of a website like a restaurant. HTML is the menu, CSS is decoration, JavaScript is the waiter, PHP is the kitchen, and .NET is the administration staff. Even though WordPress and web hosting are available online, coding is better because it allows you to build fully custom websites without platform limitations. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.